The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Morning guys, welcome back to Stuck at Another. We're up stuck with you guys that we're always smiling. So yeah, we're not too long got up. Yeah, all the nights of the toiletry stuff I haven't done as yet, or hygienic stuff I haven't done. But we're gonna get ready to start off our day. Again, I'm gonna show you, what we have to do to get that started. Of course, Kurt's an early bird. Kurt's here. Kurt said he's gonna get here by 9 o'clock. He got here like 9:02 maybe or something like that. So
8:58.
What?
8:58.
Damn, I added 2 minutes and you took back off 2 doubt.
8:58.
8:58. Wow, only thing I heard is moment was burp. And I was like, Julie, you heard that? Yeah, so Julie's out here just sorting back out the stuff. Last night, because we never had much water to do any washing or anything like that, but Kurt, brought some water and thing. Fortunately enough, it wasn't quite a storm. Wasn't really a storm at all, but it did rain a little bit. But yeah, I kind of wanted something heavier to forward still. But you know the deal. Oh yeah, so these are, if you never catched yesterday's video where I spoke about the Hawaiian rolls, this is the brand, this is what it is. You guys can try it out yourself whenever you decide to, maybe replicate the same lobster dish I did yesterday. Oh, Joe, these are just amazing, man. Really soft. You can get this in
In the supermarket.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they also got them in a butter version. This is this Hawaiian sweet. They also got butter roll.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's a little bit extra, but all right. So, yeah, that's going to be the vibe. How was your drive back yesterday, though?
It was good. I'm getting used to the ride and the distance now, so.
Tell them that everybody knows you at the supermarket now.
Which one?
The ones that you went to.
Oh, it's pretty much Publix and then that meat market. I can't remember the name.
Yeah.
But
The locals have gotten accustomed to you coming in?
yes, sir. I'm in there every morning at 7:30 a.m. So,
Oh, my gosh. Yeah.
It's been a good vibe.
Nice. No, there actually is this one place I wanted to take you guys. Maybe I get the chance to take you there. It's the hole in the wall stop that we went to the very first day called Two Sisters. You guys think we should do that?
Yeah, if we have time.
We'll make time. So this place is called Two Sisters. Let me tell you, this place felt like out of a movie, let me tell you. So just to give you an idea of it, when you see those movies where like the protagonist is driving his car for a long time and he's about to run out of gas, and then he gets to the spot where it says gas station, but you're saying to yourself, maybe there's no gas. And then he pulls up and there's probably like one person there or two, and you're just like, yep, as Kurt was saying, the hills have eyes. That's what it felt like. But anyway, we got in and we got information from the people as to, where we could get firewood. We actually got firewood from inside the store, and they made some burgers. And let me tell you, man,
About it.
the burgers are to talk about. Even though when you look at like the grill area, you're just thinking, nothing's gonna happen there. Yeah. So I'm gonna definitely take you guys on the way back. It takes about 10 minutes to get your burger and your fries. The fries were impeccable. The burger was impeccable. It was really good for a simple cheese and bacon burger. Wait, so Kurt brought some, what is this, hotel food?
Yeah.
Some hotel breakfast. Ooh.
Just a little something.
So this is potatoes, sausages, and some type of muffin, he said.
And yogurt.
Nice. There he goes. There he goes again. Eating up the dinner. How is it?
It's good. It's cold, but
I'm gonna go grab me a bite too because
I'm a fog.
grab. Okay, where's the forks? Now, yo, these sausages look weird.
Yeah, I thought they got cold.
Chat. Alright, trying to eat some food from civilization now. Even though the potatoes are cold, they're pretty good. What hotel is this?
Hampton Inn
Hampton Inn.
by Hilton.
Sausages are alright.
Yeah. Again, especially better when it's hot.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
All right, so we just had I had breakfast just now. Jilly's about to have breakfast at the moment. I'm gonna hold a shower really quick. Yo, shout out to Kurt for the breakfast because you don't know, having something in the stomach early in the morning so you can start the cooking adventures is super important. Now we're just heading back to the tent. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little look on what the tent is like. I never did that before. So mosquito mesh and the inside and so forth. It's a little bit messy because of course we just got up and what a view. But yeah, this is the inside. Again, it's messy. It's a part of living in a tent. Usually in the morning after we get ready, Jilly would start organizing stuff in here. So of course you have the bed. It's not a blow-up bed, it's actually a mattress, thank God. And battery powered fan, which I think ran for the entire night. I know I woke up early this morning and it was still on, so that's cool, on low speed. And of course an electrical one there. Here's some of my stuff, my bag, camera equipment. That's the solar power bank thingy that we used yesterday. It has two little bean bag type of things there, that ASAC mat, and of course we had our coldest bottle. Well, I always say to you guys that these are always close by, so those are there in the night if we need something to drink and so on. It's pretty tall. This could easily fit somebody in the center here who's maybe like 6 foot and something, like 6'5" and so on, so it's pretty high. It has two of these, it has three major ventilation points to the sides there. It has the air vents at the top, and then of course it has this part here. The only part I haven't figured out is this. I don't know what on earth that is, but yeah, that's that. And I think that's a couch there. If you wanted to have a third person in here, we could actually fold it out and so on. So it's a pretty nice size, pretty nice setup. And all they did for the base is actually some lumber. So yeah, this is what it looks like, what we've been living in until, and boom, this is basically what the place looks like once we open up the windows and then we arrange ourselves for our day to start. Yeah, the bad part is that in the nights, the lanterns, yeah, they're basically non-existent. So, and I never brought any of my camping lanterns, so you can't even see anything in the night. I got fortunate that I used one of my camera lights to actually give us some light last night, but I even forgot I had it. So yeah, this is basically our setup. Anyway, we're gonna take a quick shower and then get ready with the cooking. All right, so we're at our humble little shower. Yeah. Yo. Guys, tell me if you are the only ones that go through this. So Jilly decides to go pick up some showering gel. I don't even know what to call this thing, but anyway, some showering gel, and she buys this for the both of us to use. I ain't gonna lie, it smells hella good, and it's, I guess it's super strong because yesterday we were taking a shower and Kurt was like all the way over to the kitchen area and he could smell it. So I guess it's good, but Jaja, I probably need to try like the male version for this for myself. But yeah, I want to know if I'm the only guy that has to like use the same thing in these situations. Anyhow, so this is our little shower system here. I'm gonna show you guys in action so you realize nothing is really coming out except what's in the hose, and it's going back up there. So what you normally do is open here so that, you know, air can flow through, and then you crank this part here, and then boom. Anyway, all right, so just got done with our showers just now, so it's time to start the day. All right, so we're about to head back into the tent now and call it today.
Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.